Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you my exact trading setup from my real account to indicator to entry and final results step by step. First, let me show you my account. This is my real trading account. No demo, no fake screenshots. Everything you'll see in this video is live and practical. Right now, we are on CAD pair using pocket option platform. Time frame and market condition are very important before using any indicator. Step number 1, open the indicator section. This is where most beginners already get confused. Step number 2, apply the indicator. I'm using a fractal-based setup, which gives clear signal points on the chart. Now pay attention. Green arrows indicate potential buy zones. Red arrows indicate potential sell zones. But never take entry blindly. Step number 4, confirmation. Only take trades when price is near support or resistance, market shows rejection or strong candle. Trend is clear. Always follow the trend. Trading against the trend increases risk. Smart traders trade with the flow. Now look at this setup. Price touch support signal appeared, and confirmation is clear. This is where I take my entry buy. Once the trade is placed, don't panic. Patience is the key. This is where most traders fail. Now moving to the indicator part, I'm using the fractal indicator in this setup. It highlights key reversal areas in the market, where price is likely to change direction, but taking trades just based on arrows is a mistake. Proper confirmation is always required before entry. And here is the result. Clean profit. Remember, indicators don't make money. Your discipline, patience, and confirmation do. If you want to learn this strategy property or get high-quality signals, join my channel link in description. And don't forget to follow for more professional trading content.